A very warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora announces Jharkhand Assembly polls elections to the 81 constituencies to be held in 5 phases from 30th of November. Counting will be held on 23rd December. Model Code of Conduct enforced in Jharkhand ahead of the polls. A public health emergency declared in Delhi NCR region. All construction activity banned till November 5th as the air quality dipped to severe plus levels, leaving Delhiites gasping for breath. The Environment Pollution Prevention and Control Authority has also banned the bursting of crackers during the winter season. The capital's air quality has plunged to emergency category, first time since January. The Israeli government says had nothing to do with an alleged cyber hack by surveillance firm NSO Group. Remember, WhatsApp sued the Israeli surveillance firm NSO Group on Tuesday, accusing it of helping government spies break into the phones of roughly 1,400 users across 4 continents in a hacking spree whose targets included diplomats, political dissidents, journalists and senior government officials. German Chancellor Angela Merkel, who arrived in India yesterday on a 2-day visit, met PM Modi in Delhi and issued a joint statement over bilateral issues. India and Germany signed 7 MOUs in the field of agriculture, maritime technology, Ayurveda and yoga, among others. 5 joint declarations of intent also exchanged. German Chancellor met President Ramnath Kovind after her meeting with PM Modi today. Delhi High Court rejects former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram's bail plea on medical grounds, saying the senior Congress leader doesn't need hospitalization. The medical board told the court that the hospitalization of Chidambaram was not necessary as his vitals are normal. Court directs Tihar Jail Superintendent to keep Chidambaram's cell clean and provide mineral water, protection against mosquitoes, and should be provided a face mask. As the Sena BJP deadlock continues over power sharing in Maharashtra, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut launched another sharp attack at the ally BJP after his meeting with NCP chief Sharad Pawar yesterday. Raut said that if the Shiv Sena decides, it will get the required numbers to form the stable government in the state. This as Sena is adamant over 50-50 power sharing in Maharashtra. Uddhav Thackeray declared that the party is in touch with the BJP, Congress and the NCP. Thackeray also said that no one can make a permanent claim on the CM post. With this, the Sena is signalling that it is willing to explore other options if the deadlock with the BJP does not break. In a bizarre incident caught on camera, a snake bite victim was seen being treated by witchcraft inside the emergency ward of the district hospital in Shiopur in Madhya Pradesh. The incident occurred after a man identified as Yogendra Singh Rathore was admitted to the hospital after getting bitten by a snake. The hospital authorities are looking into the matter. A congressional resolution introduced in the US House of Representatives to honor Indian-American police officer Sandeep Singh Dhaliwal, who was shot dead on duty during a traffic stop in Texas in September. Mourning Sandeep Dhaliwal's tragic death, the resolution described him as a remarkable and selfless hero who represented the very best of American ideals. The 42-year-old Harris County Sheriff's deputy was shot dead on September 27 while conducting a routine midday traffic stop in northwest of Houston. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.